guys, welcome back to Designer Savvy. Today we are going to be doing a master bathroom makeover. We are going to be installing a peel and stick tile floor. So first step was to clean the bathroom floor, cleaned it several times, rinsed it several times, used ultra strength Palmolive dish liquid. And this is not a sponsored video. Wanted to make sure I got up all the dirt, all the grime from all the years of the foot traffic. Wanted to make sure it was rinsed thoroughly so the peel and stick tiles can stick with no problem. Step number 2 is going to be to remove all of the shoe molding around the perimeter of the room. And then step number 3, we will be reinstalling that, touch-up painting where necessary, caulking, and then the final step is going to be putting all the bathroom back together, adding my finishing touches, and I will show you a picture of the before, the after. I hope this sounds interesting to you. If so, then you'll want to stay tuned. The supplies needed to begin this project are a tape measure, a marking pencil, some flathead screwdrivers, a box cutter with extra blades, a chisel, needle nose pliers and regular pliers, a hammer, a level, and a piece of wood for cutting your tile. Before laying your first piece of tile, you need to find the center of the floor. So I've laid a few tiles. The hubster just removed the toilet and we set it in the bathtub on towels. I scrubbed around the area where the toilet was removed. We will have to get a new wax ring and put under there before the toilet goes back in place. And I am about ready to remove all the shoe molding. All in one piece. Here's where the box cutter knife comes in. We use that to score the line where the molding meets the baseboard molding, and it's much easier to get off with a chisel when you do that. So this is the shoe mold around the bathtub, and it's a little challenging to get off, so I will be spending a few minutes tackling this. As you can see, we're making progress, so let's get back at it. Guys, the bathroom is all done. This was such a fun project. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the photos. So I've got this much of the bathroom done on this end. I've done all of the middle. Now I'm going to start in the middle and work my way over to the far wall, and I am so excited. I cannot wait for you all to see the finished product. Okay guys, I'm down to the finish line. This is all that I have left to do on the floor. Here we are, down to the very last piece. So here's my husband putting the shoe molding back around the perimeter of the bathroom.